The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Introduction. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle is a spiritual guide that teaches the importance of living fully in the present moment. Tolle argues that true peace and fulfillment come from disconnecting from the mind's constant chatter about the past and future and embracing the present. Core concept. The central idea of the book is that the present moment, the now, is all that truly exists. Tolle explains that our suffering comes from our identification with the mind, which is constantly dwelling on past regrets and future anxieties. This mental noise creates a false sense of self, rooted in time, distancing us from our true essence, the pure consciousness that exists beyond the mind. Practicing mindfulness. Tolle offers practical techniques for living in the now. One method is to become a watcher of the mind, observing thoughts without attachment or reaction. By witnessing thoughts as they arise, we begin to see them as transient and separate from our true selves. Another technique is body awareness, which involves shifting focus from the mind to the sensations in the body. This practice grounds us in the present moment, reducing mental distractions and fostering calm. Overcoming the pain body. Tolle introduces the concept of the pain body, an accumulation of past emotional pain that feeds on negative emotions. To overcome it, Tolle advises becoming aware of the pain body without identifying with it. This awareness allows us to break free from cycles of negativity and emotional suffering. Finding inner peace.
Ultimately, Tolle's message is one of spiritual awakening, realizing that our true nature lies not in our thoughts but in the awareness behind them. This realization brings enlightenment, a state where we feel deeply connected to life and experience a profound inner peace. Conclusion. The Power of Now is more than a self-help book. It's a spiritual manual for those seeking deeper understanding and peace. By living in the present, we can find joy, purpose, and fulfillment beyond external circumstances. The key to happiness lies in our inner state of consciousness, not in changing our external reality.